Hi, good morning, sir. My name is Rajeev Kumal. I'm 37 years old. I'm from 𝐅𝐮𝐫 Nepal. I'm married. I have 7 members in my family. My education is 10 pass. My height is 5.6 feet. My weight is 75 kgs. I'm medically fit and fine. I have 6 years experience as a garbage disposal worker in Dubai. Cleaning, sanitizing, loading, and empty waste bin. Sorting of the garbage are my jobs or duties. I want to come any European countries as a garbage disposal worker. I want to earn money and support my families, secure my future. I will stay there long time, maybe 4 to 5 years. Also, I am hard working and honest person. I can work any weather there, any outdoor work. I can manage. I will complete my agreement 2 years. 2 years. I will follow the company rules and policies. Thank you so much.
Plastic ni anu plastic.